Subtraction is just opposite of addition. Again, we will be having the rule, that is, we will be starting the calculation from the lower place value. As you have learned the subtraction of the smaller 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit number, same way 5 and 6 digit number, here we will be doing the subtraction of 7 and 8 digit in the same way. Similar way we will be following as you have learned in the last class, how to subtract 5 digit number and 6 digit number. Again, we will be having the similar rule for 7 or 8 digit number. We'll be applying the same concept as the earlier 5 or 6 digit number. So let us see the example number 1. Subtract 44 lakh 24,897 from 47 lakh 52,719. Don't copy the number as it is. Whenever we are having the statement that we have to subtract this number from word is there, from. Whenever from word comes related to subtraction calculation, always try to write the number which is just written after from. First you have to write the number which is just written after, that is from, or you try to write first bigger number in both. Who is the bigger number in both? Try to copy it first. Again, headings are there. As per the place value, we have arranged the digits. Then we have to do the subtraction, so we have written the second smaller number. Again, try to start with the smaller places. Whenever you write the second digit, very important tool is that don't start from the first heading. Try to start copying the digit one by one from smaller place value. Sometimes the numbers may be having variation in the size. Maybe your first number can be 8 digit number, but second number can be 7 digit number or 6 digit number. So in that case, if you start from the starting column, then you will be making mistake. The wrong rule you will be applying for subtraction. इसलिए आपको हमेशा क्या करना है, पहला नंबर आप जब भी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो you can start with the higher place or higher place value or the column, but second number you always start from lower place value. So 7, then comes 9, then comes 8, like this you proceed it further and try to complete all the columns as per the digit. Let us start with the calculation. Start करते हैं कैसे हम subtract करेंगे. 9 minus 7. 9 is a bigger number, 7 is a smaller number. So from bigger number, smaller number can be subtracted. It is possible. So 9 minus 7, it becomes as 2. We can subtract the smaller value from bigger number and get the answer. The easiest and simplest process is 7 के बाद आपको जब तक काउंटिंग करना है जब तक 9 नहीं आता है. अगर मैं 7 के बाद काउंट करता हूँ तो 9, 7 के बाद अगर मैं काउंट करता हूँ तो नंबर होगा 8 and 9. अगर आप फिंगर पर काउंट करते तो आप देखेंगे आपके 2 फिंगर ओपन हैं, मतलब वही आपका आंसर है. सब्ट्रैक्शन को अगर आप काउंट करते हैं तो आप काउंटिंग नंबर स्मॉलर नंबर से स्टार्ट करें, स्मॉलर नंबर के बाद स्टार्ट करें और जब तक करें जब तक आपको बिगर वैल्यू ऑब्टेन नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट कम्स 1 minus 9. 1 में से 9 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो 1 क्या करेगा, 1 will be going to the next column and asking 7 to lend 1. बोरो करेगा 7 से 1 नंबर बोरो करेगा और अपने आप को बड़ा बनाने की कोशिश करेगा. तो see, when this one has taken 1 from this 7, so 7 becomes as 6 after lending 1 and this one becomes as 1 1 11. So from 11 subtract 9. So 11 minus 9, again it is 2. After 9 start counting 10 11, stop. Again you will be having the value as 2. Now from 6 we have to subtract 8, not possible. Again 6 will be going to the next column for borrowing. The digit is 2. 2 will be lending 1 to the number 6 and it becomes a single number 1. Now here 6 becomes a 16. From 16 again 8 is subtracted. After 8 start counting till you get the number as 16. So you will be finding the total difference value is 8. So write 8 here. 1 minus 4 not possible. Again 1 will be going for borrowing in the next column. So next column is having a digit as 5. When 5 lend 1 to the given number, so it becomes 11 and 5 becomes as 4. Always whenever borrowing is there, cut the digit who is lending the number to the earlier, that is digit. If you don't cut and write it, then you will be forgetting and you will be doing the subtraction with the given number only, and that will be resulting wrong value. So first you try to cut and write it. When 5 has blended 1 to this one, it becomes 11 and 5 becomes as 4. Now start the calculation. 11 minus 4 it becomes 7. 4 minus 2 it becomes 2. 10 minus 4 it becomes 3, and this way 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So we can say that 47 lakh 52,719 when having the subtraction with 44 lakh 24,897, we get the value 3 lakh 27,822. So this way we can do the subtraction of the larger number. Let us come to the next example. As I talked earlier, now let us see the number. Subtract. If you see the digit, the subtraction values are related to 6-digit number. From. After from, when you make a view, you will be seeing the numbers are related to, that is 8-digit. So here the size of the digits are different. Again we will be starting with the lower place value. Write the first number as it is, copy the number, then the number which we have to subtract, try to start from lower place value. So first we will be writing 1, then 0, then 6, then 1, then 8 and then 7. Don't start from the bigger place value. Don't start writing like this 7, 8, 1, 6, 0, 1. It will be wrong. So always the starting part will be, or when you copy the digit, always you move from the small place value to higher place value and so on. Don't start from the starting place. It will be having wrong representation. Let us start the calculation. 0 minus 1 not possible. So 0 will be going to the next column. The digit is 1. 1 will be landing 1 to the digit, that is 0. Here 1 becomes as nothing, that is 0, and this 0 becomes as 10. So from 10 subtract 1. After 10, from 10 when we are subtracting 1, we get the answer as 9. So write 9 here. 0 minus 0, nothing will be the result. So write 0 only. When similar numbers are having the subtraction, we have to write always answer as 0. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 6, again from a small value we can't subtract a bigger value. So 2 will be going to the next column asking for borrowing, but again 0 is here. 0 can't land 1 to the given number. So here 0 will be telling you, wait, I am having nothing, let us borrow from my near. देखो फाइल 1 लैंड करेगा 0 को, और इस तरह से 0 अब बन जाएगा 10, 5 बन जाएगा 4. अब 10 के पास ऑलरेडी इसका नियर जो पार्टनर है वो बोरो करने आया है, तो 10 जब 1 लैंड करेगा 2 को तो वो 12 बन जाएगा, और 10 में से 1 कम हो जाएगा तो वो 9 बन जाएगा. इस तरीके से 12 minus 6 becomes 6. 9 minus 1 possible, so it becomes 8. अब यहाँ बचा था 5 ने इसको 1 लैंड करा तो यहाँ था 4. 4 minus 8 पॉसिबल नहीं है. अब 4 वापस से नेक्स्ट कॉलम में जाकर 7 से बोरो करेगा. 7 जब 1 लैंड करेगा तो वो हो जाएगा 14 और खुद बन जाएगा 6. 14 में से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट करा तो हो गया 6. 6 में से 7 पॉसिबल नहीं है. फिर से 6 नेक्स्ट कॉलम में जो डिजिट है 8 उससे बोरो करेगा. 8 जब 1 लैंड करेगा तो खुद बन जाएगा 7 और 6 बन जाएगा 16. 16 में से 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करा तो हो जाएगा 9. 7 अलोन है, कॉपी एज इट इज. 9 अलोन है, कॉपी एज इट इज. इस तरीके से वी विल बी गेटिंग द फाइनल आंसर. तो 9 करोड़ 87,50,210 having the subtraction value as 7,81,601 will result the answer or the difference as 9,79,68,609.